Welcome to my quad with me vehicle. I know you like and say where we live.
Hello. Hello. Okay, Matty Hooper.
Yeah.
Where are we?
Weymouth.
Yay! And what do you want at Weymouth?
Huh?
What is it you keep asking for at Weymouth?
Samuel.
No, not summer.
Oh, again.
Not a holiday. The whole journey here. What have you mentioned? Ice cream. About 3 times. Matty's going back through his history to see what it looked like last time. He might be here a while.
No, you won't. Yeah, the main bit is, I get that.
Yeah, well. Oh, yeah, it's
Oh no.
Pockets?
Walking on them. I like the colour they use here. White for everything. It's really pretty, isn't it? What's that? Is that some kind of ride? That's why you were so close up. I had it scrolled in, so it was almost looking at Maddie's nose. Maddie, so that the dog can get space.
Yeah, ago.
7 years ago. What was?
Hey.
Benji, yes. Do you want to tell us about that?
No.
You don't want to?
Yeah.
No. What happened 7 years ago today? We got the peeing dog. So what's all the white cliffs out there?
What?
Matty, cover your trachea. I've just had dust in the eye.
In your shoes. Right, come on then, let's do this.
Matty, you've seen the Jubilee over there? Oh, strong point. History. Back with me so Benji gets his space. Some doggos, Matty. On there.
You walk, girl.
Yeah.
You mean?
Pardon?
No cruise ships. No cruise ships. I think this is where there's ice creams, isn't there? This is where there's ice cream.
Right.
Wow. That looks a little bit yum. Small amounts. Yummy. Nice.
Yeah.
Smell well.
That's a final flurry for the see the sound blowing up.
That's what went into my eyes, which is why I said to him to cover up his trackie. Well, I can walk with you and then Matty can walk ahead.
Ice cream.
Yeah. Matty? What are you protecting your ice cream from? Seagulls. Go on then, keep going. Bert's not here, is he? You wish Bert the black swan from Dawlish was here.
Be a bit of a long way to go to see him after school.
To be honest, I think that would be a bit unfair on his wife. Staying at home with the 5 kids. She can come with him. What, near the babies in Dawlish?
Keep walking, dude.
Straight on, you know where the van
You know where
is.
the van is, that's where you're heading. Just walk there at a sensible pace.
Keep going, bud.
At least you found a bit that wasn't overflowing. The
Yes.
seagulls can't pull it back out.
Poor man sat on the bench. Just trying to enjoy himself. And then Benji comes along on Gotcha Day. Gotcha. Gotcha. What do you think gotcha means?
On this day in history, we gotcha.
7 years ago. That's right. We got a little shapoon. You really love Bert, don't you? You talk about him a lot. Bert's the black swan. He's been a terrible dad. He has been a terrible dad. Maddie, picture of that donkey.
What?
Get a picture of the donkey.
I know.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I came through, I'd meet you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls won't love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you've got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, 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 you got me chasing waterfalls.